Good news. You can now offset payroll taxes with research credits. Yes. Let's see whether you're going to qualify. So there's a couple uh, exceptions and rules regarding who qualifies. The company must have receipts of less than $5 million and must have had at least one tax year with no gross receipts in the previous 5 tax years. Then the credit's good up to $250,000. Quite substantial, right? So some of the calculations come into play are the research credit is equal to the sum of the following: 20% of the excess of qualified research expenses for the year over a base amount. And this base amount is a fixed percentage not to exceed 16% of the average annual receipts, net of returns and allowances for the 4 years prior to the year of claiming the credit. Thus, the minimum credit minimum is equal to 10% of qualified research expenses. You can take a simplified credit as well, equal to 40% of the amount by which qualified expenses exceed 50% of the average for the 3 preceding tax years. These qualified expenses, they must qualify as Section 174 expense. And Section 174 refers to some of the following expenses: in-house wages and supplies for research, certain time-sharing costs for computer use, 65% of outside contract research expenses. Now, keep in mind that any credit you take has to be taken out of the actual research expense deduction. So keep this in mind. This very well could work for you. I'd be more than happy to assist you at 303 447 1626.